Welcome to the next installment of Burger Bites with Todd. In today's video, we'll answer the question, what is the best way to season burgers for the grill?
I'm a big fan of a lot of salt on the surface of both steaks and burgers. I find that when I really coat the surface with salt, the salt forms, it bonds with the protein in the beef, and it makes almost a caramelized, there's just an incredible flavor that you get when you put salt on it. It's surprisingly not very salty if you put it on ahead of time. I'm also going to put a little bit of fresh ground black pepper. I'll flip them over and do the exact same thing. This time I'm going to use my clean hand for the salt.
Thank you for watching today's Burger Bite with Todd. If you have additional questions, feel free to reach out to us through our website at bluenestbeef.com, on our Facebook page, or by simply leaving a comment below. Please be sure to like this video and subscribe to hear more Burger Bites with Todd. Also, check out these additional videos to learn more today.